In this video, I will show you how to cancel your QuickBooks subscription. So to do this, you want to go and open up QuickBooks, and from within QuickBooks, go to your profile picture in the top right and click Manage Your Intuit account. So QuickBooks is owned by Intuit, so from here you just want to go and click on Manage Subscription if it's under Quick Actions. If you don't see it there, just go to Products and Billing, and then from there under Your Products, you will then be able to click on your QuickBooks account that you want to cancel. So from here, if you have an active subscription, it is going to show up, and from within there you can then click on it, and then for me it says cancel your trial. For you it will then say cancel your subscription if you're already paying, but I'm still in the free trial, so therefore for me it says the trial. But just go and click on cancel, and from there you will then have cancelled your QuickBooks subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.